Are you looking for a healthy diet plan? Something that comes with a promise of keeping your heart healthy, fights off cognitive decline and diabetes. Then the Mediterranean diet is just the thing for you. This diet has been ranked as the number one diet plan for its host of health benefits. When you think about the word diet, restricted eating is the first thing that comes to mind. However, the Mediterranean diet is not like that. What are its health benefits? Does it help in weight loss? What about fighting inflammation? Hi guys, today we are talking about key features and health benefits of Mediterranean diet. Abundance of plants food. The diet emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts and seeds. Healthy fats. Olive oil is a primary source of fat, providing monounsaturated fats that are considered heart healthy. Fish, especially oily fish like salmon and sardines, are also encouraged due to their omega-3 fatty acids. Lean protein. Moderate consumption of poultry, eggs and dairy products with limited red meat consumption. Fish and seafood are often preferred protein sources. Reduce dairy. This diet generally favors low-fat or fat-free dairy products like yogurt and cheese. Herbs and spices. The use of herbs and spices instead of salt to flavor food is a common practice in Mediterranean cuisine. Social and active lifestyle. The Mediterranean is not just about food, it also emphasizes a balanced and active lifestyle. This diet also requires you to indulge in regular physical activity. Mediterranean diet is associated with various health benefits, including a reduced risk of heart disease, help in weight loss, protect against type 2 diabetes, lower inflammation, may prevent cognitive decline and Alzheimer's. Do you already eat in Mediterranean diet? What is your favorite food? Tell us in the comments below. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe us. We will meet again in the next video, so stay healthy and happy.